What are the seven programming languages to get a job in ISRO? Landing a job at Indian Research Organization is a dream for many. Make sure you are skilled at one or more of these programming languages to increase your chances of getting hired. Number 1, C++. The foundation of many systems at ISRO relies on C++ programming. These languages are utilized for developing embedded systems, software for satellite control, and ground based applications. Number 2, Python. Python's versatility and simplicity make it a valuable asset at ISRO. It's used in automation, data analysis, and scientific computing for satellite missions and space explorations. Number 3, Java. Java is favored for its platform independence. ISRO employs Java in various aspects, including mission planning, satellite communication, and ground station software development. Number 4, MATLAB. MATLAB is vital for computational tasks, simulations, and data analysis. It's frequently used in satellite design, trajectory analysis, and scientific research at ISRO. Number 5, Fortran. While an older language, Fortran remains relevant in ISRO for scientific computing and numerical simulations, particularly in the domain of space research. Number 6, Ruby. Ruby is employed for scripting and automation tasks in various ISRO projects, simplifying complex processes and enhancing efficiency. Number 7, Lisp. Lisp finds applications in artificial intelligence and robotics projects at ISRO. It's used for mission planning and control systems and autonomous spacecraft operations. Tailor your skills to match ISRO's specific needs, and you will be well on your way to rewarding career in the realm of space exploration and technology. For more interesting and informative videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.